Another one.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Central Stark County in northeastern Ohio until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Canton and Louisville. Floodwaters will begin to inundate low-lying lands of businesses and residential properties near the east branch of the Nemashillen Creek in Louisville. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, an area flood warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following county: Stark, Ohio.
That's 4 of them.
For North